Okay, the Potsdam Conference of 1945 was supposed to be about peace and rebuilding after World War II, but it was full of drama, secrets, and straight up plot twists. Here are five wild facts that sound made up but aren't. The casual revealing of the atomic bomb. See, Truman casually told Stalin the United States had a weapon of unusual destructive force. But Stalin barely reacted. Why? Well, he kind of already knew about it, thanks to the Soviet spies inside the Manhattan Project. What happened to Churchill? See, Winston Churchill started the conference as Britain's prime minister, but halfway through the conference, Churchill had lost the election. Clement Attlee flew in and took his seat. I mean, imagine swapping out a world leader mid negotiation on something as important as this. Wild. Now, one thing I think Potsdam is mostly criticized for is the redrawing of borders and causing millions to be displaced. See, they moved Poland's borders west and gave it German land. And that decision led to the forced relocation of millions of Germans. The Allies promised that it would be done humanely, but spoiler alert, it was not. France was not invited. Yes, France was left out, just like they were left out of the Yalta Conference. And de Gaulle wasn't invited because the United States and Britain thought that he'd stir up drama. At least I'm going to put it that way in very overly simplified terms. Well, understandably, he was absolutely furious and honest, fair. Nuclear foreshadowing. The Potsdam Declaration demanded Japan's surrender. And surprise, surprise, Japan refused. Days later, the United States dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.